Hey guys, welcome. This is how to disable camera on iPhone. So guys, to do this process, what you could try to do is change some settings into your phone. So just simply go through the settings. And now over here, you could just simply scroll down until you find over here screen time. So go ahead and select screen time. Now, here on the screen time, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see the category restrictions and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now, over here, you will have an option allowed apps and features. Or if you don't have this one, you could just simply turn this on, guys, to have allowed apps and features, and you will have the camera over here. So make sure to turn this off, and this way it will disable camera on your iPhone, and every time you use an application and you use the camera, it will ask for permission first, and it will not be allowed, and you have to allow it manually for that specific app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.